12. Death takes no holiday. Have you ever faced death, looked right at it? Have you seen it coming, nearer and nearer? Have you felt life and all your efforts turn into the strange things they seem to one who fears his time has come? They are as nothing, the things and the situations we fight about, as nothing in the face of death. Dr. Sampson had left only an hour before. Eric Jurgeson sat looking into the open fire. It was long after midnight, but he did not go to bed. He shuddered as he thought of it. To lie there staring at the ceiling, wide-eyed, weary, trying to solve problems that seemed to have no answers. What was the use of it? Better the comfort and the glow of the fire. That, at least, brought passing solace. You know how he felt. You too have heard the hours pass. You too have turned and twisted through the night. Nor are you without sympathy for the mistakes Eric had made, the causes, shall we say, of the trials in his life. The doctor had examined his heart. You must be careful of strain. You will drop dead suddenly if you don't have times of rest. Take more recreation, play a little. Yes, play, thought Eric, with prices rising, taxes growing, family pressing, and even distant relatives asking what people would think if he let them depend on handouts of the welfare state. Play a little, rest. Eric rose and poked the fire. Why should he fuss, he mused. It had always been like this, even in his boyhood. He brooded on the errands he had run and all the rest of it. He'd been handy at doing things. Did you ever try being a comfort in the home? If you can set panes of glass, repair the roof, pull weed, wash dishes, bandage cuts, adjust carburetors, cure sick dogs and tend babies without damaging them, you'll be busy as boy or man. Busy at the 20,000 tasks that troop into your days. You'll also be trained to meet the financial obligations that friends and neighbors find too difficult. It isn't hard to make your house the center of a clan of dependents. I've tried it and I know. When you see someone's trouble, just cry. Let me have it. He'll be generous in his response. Rick had been doing that until his unselfishness had worn away the vigor in his heart. What should he do? Keep on and die. That was consistent with past conduct. Should his children be taken from T.R. schools now instead of after his funeral? Our medical records in America show that thousands of our businessmen have this problem, have it and fall to meet it from. But you give me the answer. Is it because they are so loving? Or do they fear what people and their families will say? They are dying all around us as never before. The statistics of heart failure prove it. There must be a cause. Is it pride over doing their duty, or fear of seeing the years that led to the crisis as equally wrong? In any case, the problem of breaking down as a burden-bearer faces legions. It must be met. How it is met depends more upon the attitude from which we approach it than upon the facts themselves. Some prefer the wrong way. They keep on, and die, leaving greater sorrow behind them than a courageous disruption would have caused. Others believe that discretion is the better part of unselfishness. In the distinction lies a key to the contrast between those who overcome troubles and those overcome by them. There is no sane solution but forthright selfishness. We make such statements these days because statistics reveal that beyond the minor reasons for this difference, one major cause is preeminent. Those who fail to overcome troubles haven't the courage to use the means to conquer them. The one who transcends his difficulties trusts his own judgment, goes into action fearlessly, and does not pause if called wicked. Selfishness is an issue in life because it is so important a part of the solution of many problems with which we have to deal. If no one could blame you for refusing the uncomfortable duty, for giving up the wearisome task, or for leaving someone you did not love, you would not hesitate. Only because you cannot face social blame and the pride of AC. On science trained to its patterns are you hindered from exerting your free will and your instinctive good sense. It is important to our conquest of circumstances, therefore, to survey the difficulties through which we pass and to see what we believe is right to do. If we learn to unite the doctrine never compromise yourself with the edict no ego satisfactions, we shall do well, no matter what our dilemmas may be. Heart failures and half-measure living will then speedily diminish.